Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. This is another snack edition, another food review here on Adventures in TV Land. Today we're trying something new, something different. Today we are trying this Kit Kat. This is a chocolate frosted donut Kit Kat. So you can see it there at the top. New. This Kit Kat is new. It is a new Kit Kat. New flavor. Chocolate frosted donut Kit Kat. I like Kit Kats. They know they make lots of different flavors of Kit Kats. Some of them you cannot find in the United States. Some of them you can only find in certain countries or certain parts of the world. But Kit Kat, they are introducing other flavors here in the US now. And so we're going to try this one and see what it tastes like. Alright, I'm going to break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Now I actually did put these in the freezer because I like my chocolate usually frozen. So I just do. Especially, I like Kit Kat bars when they're frozen. So you actually do have to break off a piece. There we go. Now if you look at these, it looks like a regular king size Kit Kat bar, but on the bottom there's a different cut. It's a different type of coating there. So will this taste anything like a chocolate frosted donut? The hour time is at hand. Let us find out. Yes. Yes, indeed. This does taste like a chocolate frosted donut. I'm not sure what they did to the cookie inside as well, because it tastes a little bit different. Now, maybe because of this bottom layer here has the donut kind of taste, but then the top part, which is the normal Kit Kat part, tastes a little bit different too. It tastes just like, like the chocolate frosting on a donut that you would have. That was very good. I would purchase this again. I would much rather prefer. I was only able to find the king size. That's all they had in the store I saw these at. And since I was there, it's like, well, I'll pick it up because I don't know if I'll see these again. It'd be nice just to have the regular size. That is too much for me at a one setting. Yeah, that's good. It has the Kit Kat feel to it. You can break it off and it looks just like a Kit Kat bar. But it does not taste like a regular Kit Kat bar. It does taste pretty much exactly like a chocolate frosted donut. So good job, Kit Kat. Who makes the Kit Kat? Hershey Company. I knew it was one of the big. I couldn't remember which one it was, but it's a good job, Hershey's, for your Kit Kats. This is a flavor that tastes the way it's supposed to taste. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.